Follow me as I take on the challenge of exploring the darkest pipes with this 100 feet waterproof sewer camera. Inspecting dark pipes can be a daunting task, but with the right tool, it becomes a whole lot easier. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using a 100 FT waterproof sewer camera to inspect dark pipes and tackle plumbing challenges with confidence. Many homeowners struggle with diagnosing plumbing issues, often leading to expensive repairs and frustrations. Traditional methods usually involve guesswork, digging up your yard, or relying on expensive equipment. These methods can be time-consuming, costly, and sometimes still don't get to the root of the problem. It's frustrating, to say the least. We've all been there, dealing with clogged drains, mysterious leaks, and wondering what's going on beneath our feet. Traditional plumbing inspection methods often fall short because they can't give you a clear view of what's happening inside your pipes. That is, until you have the right camera for the job. Without a clear diagnosis, you're left making educated guesses about the problem. And let's be honest, nobody likes throwing money at a problem without knowing if it's really solved. The 100 FT waterproof sewer camera changes everything. It's designed to make plumbing inspections a breeze, helping you pinpoint problems quickly and accurately. No more digging up your entire yard or hoping that the plumber's guess is correct. This camera brings clarity to a previously murky process. Let's dive deeper into what makes this camera so useful. The 100 FT waterproof sewer camera is incredibly flexible, allowing you to navigate through tight spaces and around bends with ease. Its high-definition image quality gives you a crystal-clear view of what's happening inside your pipes. Plus, it's designed with the user in mind, easy to operate, even for those who aren't plumbing experts. The camera's user-friendly design means you can focus on the problem at hand, not on figuring out how to use the equipment. The high-resolution display shows you exactly what the camera sees, making it easy to identify issues like cracks, blockages, or corrosion. When you're dealing with a plumbing issue, every minute counts. The quicker you can identify and fix the problem, the less damage it will cause. That's where the 100 FT waterproof sewer camera really shines. It gets the job done fast. Watch as we demonstrate the camera in action, revealing how it can uncover hidden problems in your plumbing system and save you money. You'll see just how easy it is to use and how effective it is at diagnosing issues. As we maneuver the camera through the pipe, you'll get a first-hand look at the kind of detail it provides. From clogs to corrosion, nothing escapes its notice. This isn't just about solving problems, it's about preventing them from becoming major headaches down the line. The real value of this camera becomes clear when you consider the costs of not using it. Expensive excavations, prolonged disruptions, and of course, the actual repair costs. With a 100 FT waterproof sewer camera, you're not just solving problems, you're avoiding them. By using this camera, you can avoid the hassle and expensive traditional plumbing inspections. We've seen how the 100 FT waterproof sewer camera makes inspecting dark pipes a breeze, providing peace of mind and preventing costly repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips on home maintenance. Sewer Camera 100 FT can connect external monitor, zoom in and out, IP68 waterproof, 12 pieces adjustable light, plumbing snake cam with DVR pipe video inspection, for sewer line, drain, duct, plumbing. Shooting modes manual. Exposure control type manual. Color black. Video capture resolution 720p. Media type SD card. Make dark to bright with the IP68 waterproof, reliable cable. The pipe camera can work in any underground narrow environment. The 1000 TVL endoscope camera, its super brightness and clear video recording performance. Sewer inspection camera can easily view live video and supports recording definitely clear sharp videos at any time and anywhere. What's more, drain inspection camera with 140 degrees viewing angle makes you can easily check. DVR recording function. This waterproof video pipe inspection camera is equipped with DVR recording function. It can support the external SD card up to 16 GB. The sewer camera equipment have a wide view support, definitely clear image and video. And sewer camera also includes a sun visor that allows the screen to be clearly visible even in sunlight. IP68 sewer video camera. The sewer inspection camera's diameter measures 0.9 inch with waterproof stainless steel housing. It is suitable for sewer pipes at 1 to 8 inch, and it includes camera center locator and super flexible spring at length of 4.7 inch/120 mm. Easy inspection through the pipe. Pipe endoscope inspection have 12 pieces highlight adjustable LED light, easily view live video and photos. Especially of those hard to reach places that may not be easily visible. 7-screen and long-working Anysun Sewer Inspection Camera, built-in 7-inch LCD color screen and 4,500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, and provides up to about 9 hours continuously working time. Drain and pipeline camera can be used in underwater cameras, waterproof miniature camcorder, motor vehicle inspection, sewer pipeline inspection, line detection, home appliance maintenance, search and rescue, archaeological finds, drilling industry, construction, etc. The best customer service. Anysun Sewer Inspection Camera has a 12-month after-sales service and a lifelong customer service. Buy with confidence, satisfying all customers, and is our unremitting pursuit. We will do our best to serve you. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We will provide you with the most satisfactory answer. The Anysun Sewer Camera 100 FT is a powerful, professional-grade pipe inspection tool designed to make underground diagnostics easy, efficient, and crystal clear. Equipped with a 1000 TVL high-resolution camera and 12 adjustable LED lights, it provides bright and detailed visuals even in the darkest sewer or duct environments. The IP68 waterproof stainless steel camera head and the flexible 100 FT cable ensure reliable performance in tight and wet spaces ranging from 1 to 8 inches in diameter. The built-in 7-inch LCD color monitor offers real-time viewing and includes a DVR recording function, supporting up to 16 GB SD cards, allowing you to capture and review video and images easily. Featuring a 140 degrees wide-angle lens, camera center locator, sun visor, and zoom in/out capability, this inspection camera ensures thorough inspections with high visibility. With a 4,500 mAh rechargeable battery providing up to 9 hours of continuous use, it's ideal for sewer line inspection, drain cleaning, HVAC ducts, home maintenance, construction work, and more. Backed by a 12-month warranty and lifetime customer support, the Anysun Sewer Inspection Camera delivers reliable performance and peace of mind for professionals and DIYers alike.